Hello, in this demo, we will showcase some of the key use cases that Bird CRM solves for travel and hospitality industry. Now let's start with this demo website, which is Bird for Travel. On this travel website, when the customer comes for the first time, they can sign up for receiving your newsletter for different marketing updates about travel recommendations or exclusive deals. So let's start by signing up as a new customer. So I come to the website and I sign up on a form which is deployed by Bird CRM platform. As soon as I sign up, I receive a new email. So I've received email from the vacations brand, Southwest Vacations, welcoming me aboard and sharing some of the offers and details about the different offerings. Now, how does this happen? Let's go to the Bird platform. In this Bird platform, we will focus today on the Marketing Cloud. This is the home page where you will see some of the snapshot and key analytics about marketing, top performing journeys, and different campaigns that you can run. So let's talk about how did we set up the sign up form and how we ensured that we send automatically a welcome message with an offer to drive the customer to make a booking. So first of all, we'll go to sign up forms, and this is the newsletter sign up that we have created as an embedded sign up form that is deployed on the website. You can also see that there are some analytics about how many submissions were made for this sign up form, showing its performance. Bird supports building any kind of dynamic and targeted sign-up forms with your own branding. You can create different kinds of targeting for domain, frequency, location, etc. to ensure that your sign-up forms are displayed on the right page and are shown at the right time to the targeted audience. Once somebody signs up, they are automatically added to a list, which basically starts a welcome journey automation for them. So let's see this welcome journey. As soon as a person is added to the email sign-up list, they receive the first welcome email that we just saw earlier. We can add a series of emails to send follow-ups so that they are more aware about the offerings and different vacations that they can book from the website. Now let's send some of the personalized offers to our customers. Let's say with the welcome email, I click on the welcome email and then I am taken back on the website that now I can start exploring. On this website, I can visit different pages and I maybe can be looking for booking a destination holiday. So let's say I'm in Boston and I want to book something for Bahamas, and this is my travel date. What you see here that all of the search details and page views are tracked by our web tracking SDK. So every time a customer visits a page on the website or they make a search query, all of that is tracked by Bird. Now let's go back and see how this information is available in our inbuilt CDP. When somebody visits the website or they make a search query, all of these events are tracked on a contact level. So this is the contact profile page where I can see all of the details about the contact. Here you can see how I have made specific search from Boston to Bahamas and which specific page or link I have visited. In addition to that, this also tracks any of my previous campaign engagement data. So if I have opened an email in the past, or if I have clicked a specific message in the past, or I have made a previous booking from the platform in the past. All of these details are available on the contact profile level, and these events can be used for creating dynamic segments. So let's go to the segment section. Here we can create different dynamic groups of audiences. So for example, I want to maybe focus on anybody who is interested in booking summer vacations. So I can start with somebody who has not made a purchase in the last 30 days. I can also define a specific SKU or vacation name that they have not made a purchase for. And I can also look at if they have clicked a particular link in the past. And I can also define if it's a specific link URL that they have clicked or a specific campaign that they have interacted with. In addition to this, I can use different kinds of profile properties such as their interest. So if they are interested in summer vacations or spring, winter vacations and things like that. So all of these events can be used for creating audiences. Additionally, I can also use other kinds of data points, such as if they have viewed a page, so page viewed event. If they viewed a page in the last 7 days, and if this was their page URL that they have viewed. In addition to that, I can also look for somebody who has maybe done a search. So all of these web tracking events can be used for creating segmentation. And I can also filter it by the search query terms that they have used. So I can say if the search query was Bahamas, then show me the audiences who have made this query. Now, once I've created this kind of a segment, I can save this segment for further use. Now, once I've saved this segment, I can start sending them campaign. So let's start by creating a campaign. I can select an email campaign. In this campaign, I can select the segment that I created earlier to target them. I can skip any recently emailed contacts. And I can also add any UTM parameters. Now in this campaign, I can send it from Bird Travel as Southwest Vacations. And then I can start creating my content. So I'll use one of the templates that I have created earlier, which is Southwest Seasonal Vacation Deals. So here you can see this template is personalized and dynamic in nature. I can see from the subject line that it looks at the particular interest of the contact to ensure that the subject line is personalized for their interest. I can also personalize the body of the email based on, again, their interest. And I can also segment this content, so I can show this particular section only if they are interested in summer, or maybe show a different section if they are interested in winter or spring vacation. So I can create these kind of segmentation to ensure that a particular segment is shown or hidden based on the contact properties. Now, if I want to preview how this looks like, I can go to the preview section and I can preview it for a particular person. So let's say right now it's saying by default, book holidays for upcoming vacations, and I do not see the summer vacation section. But when I select this contact, basically personalizes my messaging to say that you can book packages for summer vacations, and then this particular block is also shown so that it's more personalized and targeted towards anybody who's interested in booking summer vacations. Now I can save this template for sending to my campaign. Now once I've selected my content, I can also run a quick A/B test in order to optimize and send different variations of this content to optimize on metrics like click-through rate or open rate. And I can define my test pool, so I can send a specific number of audiences of variation A and B, and based upon the winning variation, I can send it to the rest of the audience. Again, I can continue to send this. I can send a test, or I can schedule it for a future time, date and time in recipient's local time zone. Now, once I've sent these personalized offers to the segmented audience, I can also try to retarget them as soon as they abandon a search or have visited a particular page on the website. So let's go back and see how we can use this different events that we captured earlier from the website activity and how we can use that to trigger certain journeys. So let's start with the Southwest abandoned search journey. So anybody who has visited my website, or in this case, if they have viewed a card or viewed a particular page, we can wait for a period of time and then send them a personalized email that can be based on the from, source, destination, airport codes, and travel dates, and can personalize the email based on these variables. Again, we can look for if they have not replied on one channel, we can also target them on other channels like SMS as well. Let's have a look at this email and see how we can use the search results that the contact has made on the website and how we can use it to personalize the content. So this is our abandoned search template. This is a fully dynamic template that takes the results based on the search that the user has made. So I've made a search from a particular airport to a destination airport, and I can define that. I can also fetch a starting price so that I can define that what is the starting price, and if it has dropped, then it could be an incentive to book this vacation. Now next I can see that it's also personalized if I'm planning a trip to a particular destination, what is my travel date, and some of the further personalized information that I can create to create a dynamic block as part of my email. Now let's have a preview and see how this looks. So starting with an event, let's say viewed something, and here you can see a preview of what this would look like when it's sent to a person if they have been looking for a destination. And based on their properties, we can basically define the different details. And as you can see, as these details are filled up, you can see on the left side that how it personalizes the email. So this is an example where we can use the details to preview the flight information. So with these variables, you can see that how the email is personalized and also shows the recommended flight or vacation that they can book. Now let's start with the other use case where once they have made this search and we send them another reminder, they can come back and also book a confirmation. So let's say once I have booked a vacation, I can get a confirmation email. This booking confirmation can again start from a particular event, which is, let's say, once the booking is confirmed. And we can start this a journey based on any of the events. So if it's checkout, order has been, or booking has been confirmed, if they have viewed a particular page on the website, or if they have searched something on the website, any of these triggers can start this journey. And then once they make a booking, then they will be able to get a Southwest vacation booking confirmation email. So let's see how that one looks like. This can also be a dynamic email where you will be able to see some of the personalization based off the type of booking that they have made. So what has been their booking ID, the different names of the vacation that they have booked. So you can see this is a dynamic email. And again, if I go ahead and actually preview it on how it would look like for a particular event, I can see that it is showing me a dynamic image. It is sharing where I have booked my flight to. It gives me a confirmation number, which is completely dynamic, the dates, route, and the different operators. So here what I can see is that my booking confirmation email can also be completely personalized based on the booking event data that I have. And again, what you can see here is I have also received, because I made a search query, I have received this email already, which is a personalized email that we have seen earlier based on what I searched on the website, and it is recommending me some of the options that I can book. So just to recap, what we saw today was how we can sign up new customers and grow the subscribers and get new leads as they sign up on your website. Once they have signed up on the website, you can send them personalized offers by creating targeted segments based off of their website activity, past purchase history, and past engagement data, and based off their interest. Then after that, once they make a search and if they again abandon or their search, you can retarget them with dynamic and personalized emails based off of their search query or the page that they have visited. And finally, once they make a booking confirmation, you can send them a booking confirmation email sharing the details of their booking inquiry. And all of this can also be done on other channels such as SMS and WhatsApp. Thank you.